Hey guys, okay, so we are still in isolation, okay? And I know some of you ladies are starting to get worried about your appearance, your hair, your nails, your skin. So today I just want to share with you my beauty survivor kit as we go through this pandemic. We don't have access to the nail salon. We don't have access to the spa to get our facials. We don't have access to our hairstylist. So we sort of have to just do this on our own. So today I'm going to share with you some of my beauty products that I'm using to keep me looking right and, keeping my hygiene up to par during this pandemic. So let's get started. All right, so first let's talk about hair. Now, I'm a natural girl. I've been natural for about, since 2004, and I'm used to doing my own hair. But what I found with myself is that sometimes I get stuck in like a rut. I would tend to stick to like one or two hairstyles and kind of not leave that, that place of just having the same hairstyle. So this is the perfect time to sort of experiment with your hair. Like today, I actually put in some effort and did some curls. I did this using a curling wand, my Conair curling wand, and I think it's cute. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I feel good. I look good and I feel good. So if you're home and you know how to do your own hair, I highly recommend trying a new style, maybe trying some new products, a new deep conditioner, a new shampoo. Give your hair a good treatment and experiment a little bit. If you don't know how to braid, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube. This is the perfect time to start learning. Start practicing how to braid your own hair and try out some new styles that you've been eyeing on YouTube as well. All right, ladies, so moving on to the face. Let's talk about brows. I know brows is a huge thing. You probably get your brows done on a regular basis. You probably get them threaded, tweezed, waxed, whatever it is. Luckily for me, I've already been doing my own brows, but I'm going to share with you 3 ways that I groom my brows and keep them nice and neat. Okay, so the first way is I wax them, and I use the Parissa warm wax, and this is for face and body. And you can get this at Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, pretty much any drugstore. And I wax my brows. Another way, if I'm feeling a little bit lazy and I don't feel like waxing, I will use the Nair cream, and this is for your face. So you can use this to clean up your eyebrows, get rid of the little mustache or anything like that. Or, which I don't have with me right now, is sort of like a brow razor that you can use to sort of clean up any fine hairs or anywhere that you may have missed from waxing or using the Nair. So that is how I keep my brows nice and groomed. And of course, if I want to take an extra step, I will go ahead and fill in my brows with a pencil and use a little brow gel. All my lash queens out there, I know you are dying right now because your lashes are falling out and you don't know what to do. Unfortunately, I don't know what that's like because I don't wear lash extensions, but as a professional makeup artist, what I can recommend is just simply heading over to your local drugstore and picking up a pack of your favorite lashes. You can get strip lashes or individual lashes, and don't forget to pick up some lash glue. Black is preferred if possible, and go from there. They're easy to apply, they're affordable, and you can use them a couple times a week if you keep them clean. Also, lashes are so innovative these days. If you go online and do your research, you can find magnetic lashes. You can even find magnetic eyeliner, which I think is pretty cool. You apply the eyeliner and then just pop the lash on top of that, and voila, there you go. You have beautiful lashes. If you're not into the false lashes, but you do like your lashes to pop a little bit, regular old mascara. One of my favorite mascaras is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original in Black is Black. And what I do is just apply 2 or 3 coats and I am good to go. To get it even fuller and more length to my lashes, I may even go in with a lash base. It's like a white mascara. You can get that from L'Oreal as well. And you're pretty much good to go. So take care of your lashes, ladies. Maybe this is the best time to start growing your lashes, guys. Do your research and check out, I can't remember the site, but if I remember, I'll put it in the information box below. But there are a few lash serums out there that work really well to help grow your lashes, strengthen them, and keep them nice and strong and healthy. So yeah, ladies, good luck with the lashes. All right, so continuing with my beauty survival kit. Next is all about skin. I like to take care of my face. You know, your skin is your canvas. And one thing I like to do is get facials, but because we cannot go out and get any facials, we have to do it at home ourselves. So a couple things I like to do when I'm doing a facial is bringing in some beauty tools. A couple of beauty tools that I like to use is one, a facial brush. I use this maybe once or twice a week. And the reason being is because I do have a little bit of sensitive skin, and using a facial brush actually exfoliates the skin as well. So because I use other exfoliating products, I don't want to over exfoliate my skin and irritate it. So I only use a facial brush when I'm doing a full-blown professional facial. So this comes in really handy and it feels really good on the skin as well. I also like to use a facial cup. I don't know if you guys heard about these, but this is great. It has many benefits, first of all. It's great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles, reducing discolorations and dark marks. It tightens and tones the skin. If you guys want a tutorial on how to use a facial cup, let me know and I'll do that for you guys. Another facial tool I like to use is the roller, and this is rose quartz roller. I got this off of, where did I get this? I think I got this on Amazon. One thing I like to do is keep this in the fridge so it's nice and cool, and then I use this to really work my products into the skin and help them penetrate even deeper. It feels good, it tightens the skin, and it smooths out any fine lines and wrinkles. I really love this tool. Another thing that I like to do for my face, and especially if I want to relax, I like to use an eye mask. And what's so great about this eye mask is that you can either use it warm or cold. So if you want, you can warm this in the microwave for a couple of seconds and put this on your eyes, and it just feels like a nice massage. It helps to relieve tension, headaches, and any stress or strain in the eye area. It works really well. You can also use it cold, which will help with puffy eyes as well. I got this from my Winners. I believe I saw this at Marshall's as well. I think that's it for face. I will do another video with like a skincare routine video if you guys want to see that. So let's talk body hair. We can't go out there and get waxed or sugared or lasered. We sort of have to fend for ourselves at home. And obviously the number one way to get rid of hair at home is with razors and shaving cream. But if you don't like going that route, another way I suggest of getting rid of your hair is by using a hair remover cream. And I like to use the Nair. Now, this stuff does not smell good, but it works wonderful. It doesn't work for everybody. You have to definitely give it a test and see if it's going to work for you. I have a friend that can't use Nair because one, she has sensitive skin, and two, she has really stubborn body hair that this just does not help to remove at all. So definitely give it a try if you like. If you don't like to use body hair cream, like a cream removal, and you don't like to use razors, another way, again, going back to my warm wax kit, is waxing. You can definitely wax yourself, And, you know, if you can tolerate the pain, why not do some waxing? So that's the way you can, you know, maintain and keep up with removing your body hair if you like. Or you can just let it grow out, girl. Let it grow out and be natural and free. Whatever you like to do. So ladies, after you remove your body hair, you got to take care of your skin. And one thing that I like to use is the Nivea body lotions. I find that they're super hydrating. They're really silky and give your skin a nice glow. This is a new one I've tried, and this is the Nivea Cherry Blossom and Jojoba Oil Lotion. It smells so good. You guys definitely have to give this a try if you can. They have a few other scents like coconut, I believe pomegranate, I can't remember, but check your local drugstore for the Nivea lotions. They're really good. Another one I like from Nivea is their firming lotions and their cocoa butter lotions as well. It's affordable, it really works well, and it keeps your skin soft, supple, hydrated, and glowing. So check that out. Another thing that I like to use for little extra care, especially on rough areas of the body, so like your elbows, your knees, you know, your feet, is the this is the cocoa chocolate unrefined ultra healing whipped cocoa shea butter from Nurture with Nature. It's such a great, look, almost done. I'm almost done. It's such a great butter. It really softens the skin. It keeps everything nice and smooth and glowing. And it's perfect if you have cracked heels, rough elbows, or anything like that. So check them out. This is Nurture with Nature, and this is their cocoa chocolate shea butter cream. So that's about it for body. Let's move on to nails, guys. I know some of you guys are panicking right now. You're like, what am I gonna do? My nails are growing out, they're falling off, they're cracking, they're chipping. What am I gonna do about my nails? I cannot do my own nails, and I get it. Me personally, I don't wear false lashes, so I can't sympathize with you that much, but I understand what it's like to have your nails look a hot mess. I, as a makeup artist, have to keep my nails groomed all the time, so I prefer to just keep them short, clean, and maybe I'll use like a clear nail polish or I'll use a colored nail polish. So I started to do all of that myself. So this right here is my nail kit, my little nail bag, and inside here I have all the essentials. So I have my nail clip, I have a cuticle cutter, scissor thingy, whatever you call this, and I have like my clear nail polish. I did have a buffer that helps to smooth out the surface of the nail as well as give it some shine, but that's missing, probably due to my daughter. And I have one of my favorite colored nail polish. This is from Sally Hansen. What is this color? It's called Taupe, I believe. Looks like that. Please don't mind the condition of this bottle. My 3-year-old got to it. So one of my favorite colors is sort of like a mauve, grayish purple tone, and sometimes I wear that. So if you can, guys, just remove the false lashes and just keep your nails groomed nice and clean. There are a ton of tutorials on YouTube on how to take care of your nails, so I definitely recommend exploring some of those videos and keeping your nails up to par. This is actually the perfect time to take care of the health of your nails. So if you can get yourself some cuticle oil or cream and the right tools, and take care of the health of your nails, so when you can get back to the salon, your nails are healthy and stronger and can withstand going back through the process of applying, you know, your gel nails or your acrylic nails or whatever you use. Speaking of fingernails, we can't forget about our toenails as well and our feet. Obviously, we can't go out and get a pedicure, so again, we have to do those things ourselves. So what I recommend is heading to your Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, or your local drugstore, whatever it is, and pick yourself up a Dr. Scholl's foot massager, foot soak, and it's a great way to just soak your feet and take your time and do your own pedicure. You can put together your own little nail kit. You can get the, let's see, this is what I use sometimes. Although you really have to be careful when using this tool because it is sort of like a surgical tool. But I have a callus remover that I use to get like rid of hard calluses on the feet. You can also use like a pubic stone. What else can you use? I think that's it. Or you can do your research, and I know there are a couple of products on the market that you can use. It's sort of like a mask for your feet, and it helps to remove like all the dead skin and stuff like that. I think it's called baby feet or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, take care of your feet as well, guys. And like I said, to keep them nice and soft, you can use the Nurture with Nature cocoa chocolate whipped shea butter to keep your feet nice and smooth. I love to use this after I give myself a pedicure, and my feet are baby soft for at least a week and a half before I have to go back in and do a fresh pedicure on myself. I know it can be a little bit tedious. I know it can be a little bit of work, but it's worth it if you can't get out and go get a pedicure at your local spa or anything like that. So I think we pretty much covered everything for our outer beauty. Now let's talk about how we can take care of our inner beauty. And a couple of things that I like to do is meditate, recite some affirmations, and do some reflective work in my journal. You know, now that the world has sort of come to a standstill and life has come to a halt for many of us, this is the perfect time to really do some inner work and reflect on the person that you are and the person that you want to become. This is the perfect time to break old habits and start new ones, and to shift your mindset and get rid of those limiting, self-sabotaging beliefs. One of the things I like to do when I meditate is to really set the tone and set the mood of the environment that I'm in. So I like to dim the lights, light some candles, and I like to use my Sage Namaste Uplifting Mist. This is a mist that you just spritz on your face and you take a couple of deep breaths. And this really has a way of just calming you down and putting you in the right sort of mood and bring you back to center so that you can really have a nice focused meditation on whatever it is you're meditating on, right? I will have a couple things coming up for you guys to help you take care of your inner work. So I'm going to have some journal prompts to get you guys really thinking about life after the pandemic. How do you want to emerge after all of this is said and done? And I also going to have some affirmations that you can use and recite while we are here isolated and at home to really keep your spirits lifted and help get you through this time. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Stay tuned for more and keep up with your beauty and your pleasure because it is important. All right, guys, so take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.